This is it. Corvette World. So we are at Corvette World in Dallas, Texas. I'm out here on business and just decided to come on over and take a look and see what they have in the inventory. I always thought it was a lot bigger than it is. It always looks a lot bigger on YouTube, but it's actually a quaint little spot. So we're gonna go inside, see what they have. Corvette World, let's check it out. Man, the inventory in this place is amazing. So we're gonna look at what we have here and see the various cars. You got, let's see, I'm looking at C8s, I see Z06s here. Lots of Z06s right now, believe it or not. Some C7s. Let's see, what else do we have? Yeah, it looks like C7s. I see a C6 over there. So we'll take a look and try to capture as much as we can of what we have here at Corvette World. All right, so we have a 2024. This is a C8 coupe. It's got the Stingray R package. Beautiful Z51 with the body colored spoiler on the Z51. Very nice. Interior, let's see. It looks like it is a 2LT interior. At least it does have the GT2 seats. 1,700 miles on it for $74.95. Their prices are pretty good prices. This one is a 2023 with a little less than 4,000 miles for $85.95. This is a 3LT. You can tell from the Alcantara interior. It's got the two-tone seats with the red seat belt. Oh man, this is gorgeous inside. Look at that interior. Oh, so beautiful. Hardtop convertible in the carbon flash. And let's see, is it a Z51? Yes, it's a Z51, but it has the low wing spoiler on it. So that's a nice touch. 70th anniversary edition. We have another, this is a 2020, 25,000 miles for $65.95. This is a coupe. Let's see, it appears to be a 2LT. It's got the GT2 seats. Has the level 1 carbon fiber package in it. Looking great. And this one also is a Z51 with the body colored Z51. I thought it was carbon flash. It's not carbon flash. It is black, gloss black. That's beautiful. Man, little red Corvette, right? So this is a red Z51 coupe. She's looking good. She's looking real good. And we have the, looks like it is a 1LT based on the seats. And so we have this one listed for $66.95. It's a 2020, but she's beautiful. All right, we're coming up on a 2023. This is 10,174 miles, $76,995 is what we're asking for it. Love, 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 love that interior. The red seats, oh man, what a pop. And it has, let's see, looks like it is a 2LT. So yeah, 2LT. I like the touch of white and red. Looks really good. It is also a Z51, as you can see. Real nice. And this is a hard top convertible. That carbon flash roof, those carbon flash nacelles. Oh man, that is a nice combo. And now we get to the Z06s. Oh man, look at this Z06 here. It looks like it is a 2023, 9,571 miles, $129,995. All right, let's take a look at the interior. Oh man, it's got the nice red seat belts, which is a nice pop of color. These are the GT2 seats. They have the Alcantara insert, so looks really good. It's got the level 2 carbon fiber. We'll have to check that from the other side so you can see all of it with the stealth package. Man, this is gorgeous. It also has the carbon, the waterfall is in carbon fiber as well, which is a beautiful touch. It is a coupe. And so, man, this is a beautiful, beautiful car. We have the carbon fiber covers on the mirror. And so that looks great. It also has, let's see, it from the looks, it looks like those are the factory carbon fiber side skirts, as well as the factory carbon fiber splitter. So the carbon fiber touches on this car are amazing. And this is $129,995. Wow. And this is a 3LZ. So this is a 3LZ coupe. She is gorgeous. Take a look at that interior. What do we have here? We have a Z06 with the Z07 package. It's in the Accelerate Yellow 2023. It's got 2,800 miles on it. Again, 126. This is crazy to me that the Z06s, the prices on the Z06s right now are just mind-boggling to me, that it's down to 126 for these cars. You know, just to see a Z06 in the 120s just kind of blows me away with how much car you get for the money. This is a 1LZ. So it's a 1LZ in Accelerate Yellow. It has the carbon fiber wheels. It has, of course, the Z07 wing, which is all carbon fiber, which is massive. Of course, you got the carbon flash in the rear, and it does have the silver tips on the exhaust. And then taking a look at that engine. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Take a look inside. So this being a 1LZ helps you save a little cost. It does have, looks like, oh man, what's, never seen those grill covers before. That's interesting on the grill cover. Never seen that before. That must be something aftermarket, but it looks great. And then there is this gorgeous, gorgeous torch red hardtop convertible. It's a 2024 with the Z07 package. Carbon fiber everywhere. The price on it is $149,995, and as you can see, it's being held because some lucky buyer is getting ready to take her home. Man, she is gorgeous and looks like pure power. Look at the red. Looks like the interior is not the red dipped interior, but it does have the red interior. And I do not see any carbon fiber other than the steering wheel and the seats. Let me take a look and see. This is, however, it is a 3LZ. So it's a 3LZ, hardtop convertible, and it is gorgeous. Has the Jake stripes on the back. Looks amazing. Beautiful, beautiful cars here at Corvette World, Dallas, Texas. Oh, here's one more Z06. Oh man, this has got to be my favorite in the whole silver flare metallic. It's got the nice spoiler on it. It's got the black exhaust tips, the gloss black exhaust tips. Has the carbon flash painted wheels. Z06 with the hardtop convertible, and you see the wishbone is a carbon flash as well. It also has the carbon fiber side skirts along with the carbon fiber front splitter from the factory. It's a 2024. Oh my gosh, look at that. 89 miles. 149,995. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right. And this is a 3LZ. So we have a 3LZ, and you can see original sticker price was $166,405, and Corvette World currently has it listed for $149,995 with 89 miles. And so taking a look here, this is a 3LZ hardtop convertible. Take a look at the interior. It has the level 1 carbon fiber package inside. So much carbon fiber, looks great. It has the GT2 seats, and so we are looking good. She's beautiful, just waiting for somebody to take her home. Wow, look at that. Look at this. I'd say this is my favorite in the entire shop. All right, so we had a great time at Corvette World, taking a look at all of the great inventory that they have. And man, I tell you, they had some beautiful Z06s, several Z51s, lots of great colors in there. My favorite was the silver flare metallic. Man, I just have something, even though my Corvette is Elkhart Lake Blue, I just have a thing for silver flare metallic. So that was a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Either way, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you next time. We out.